My name is Jonathan O'Reilly, and I'm here to discuss Homework 5. So in Homework 5 was the FIFA World Cup statistics. As you can see, right when I load, everything kind of comes in. We set the time period to the min and max of the data set. And then I used the template that was provided and added a few things myself. Added a min and max year, which we find from the data set here. And then in order to add that, we have to add 190 days. And then I initialize my XY axis placeholder and my line placeholder. Then I created a title map here, which is just an object that I use to create my Y titles to marry the data that's in the CSV data file and what a user would actually see to make it a little bit more clean. And this actually comes in handy later on. So I create my line, put the year as the ticks, add transitions. So if we needed to change the filter date, transitioned. Took me a little bit of time to make sure everything faded in and out correctly, but it seems to be working just right. As you can see, in order to get the line to come in after the dots have moved, I had to add a delay of 1,000. And then I also created the tooltips here, pretty standard. And then when you click, adds them here. And then in order to create this, I actually used the mappings of the data and the y-axis titles to conveniently create a map that would map each of those to the HTML and get their values from the data. And then I join those, just a nice quick easy way to keep this nice and short, keep it really easy. And then added click events to the filter dates, and every time you change chart, the y-axis changed and then the line faded out, dots moved, and then they came back in with the line. Another thing I found pretty cool was just a small thing, but it makes things more readable, is a pure JavaScript solution for adding commas to the third place. And that is that part of the homework. And then for the design, one of the designs I had was geographic design for the data set that was given in homework 4. So took a look at that and kind of added some interactions. So over here I actually added just a development selector dropdown. So that way you can select if you needed to create filters by clicking any of these, which would result in showing just the kinds of human development you'd like. So very high right here. In addition, if you wanted to drag and drop and select an area like that, it would also, you'd navigate and zoom in to that area, such as North America right here. And finally, selecting any of the dots would bring up more details about that. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks.